Hello students, it is a beautiful problem given that sec a plus tan a, sec b plus tan b, sec c plus tan c is equal to sec a minus tan a, sec b minus tan b, sec c minus tan c. Then prove that the value of each side is plus minus 1. It looks like a difficult problem, but it is very easy to solve it. Let's check how I do it. Answer. This is sec A plus tan A into sec B plus tan B into sec C plus tan C is equal to x. Similarly, this is x and this is also x. Then sec A minus tan A into sec B minus tan B into sec C minus tan C, this is also x. Now multiplying these two we get x square. We know that sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x, or sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Now multiplying these two, x into x means x square, we get sec A plus tan A into sec A minus tan A. Again sec B plus tan B into sec B minus tan B into sec C minus tan C into sec C plus tan C. A plus B into A minus B, that means sec square A minus tan square A into sec square B minus tan square B and sec square C minus tan square C. Sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1, sec square B minus tan square B is equal to 1, and this is equal to 1, and this is equal to, multiplying 1 is 1, and x is equal to plus minus 1. So your answer is x is plus minus 1. Okay, check your answer with it. The next problem is x is equal to sin x plus cos x, y is equal to sin x into cos x. Then the value of x to the power 4 minus 4x square y minus 2x square plus 4y square plus 4y plus 1 is a 0, 1 and 4 is equal to minus 2. How can we solve it? At first you have to look into the options. The options are 0, 1, 4 and minus 2. That means this is independent of x and y. This is independent of x and this is independent of x and y. So it is an identity. Now putting the value of x and y, you can put here x is equal to 0 degree, then x is equal to sin 0 plus cos 0. That means 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And you put y is equal to sin 0 cos 0. This is equal to also 0. Now putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 in the given expression, the expression is x to the power 4 minus 4x square y minus 2x square plus 4y square plus 4y plus 1. Putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, we get 1, this is 0, this is minus 2, this is 0, this is 0 and 1. That means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So A is the correct answer. You can put here x is equal to pi by 2. Putting x is equal to pi by 2, we get x is equal to sin pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 means 0, sin pi by 2 1, and y is equal to sin pi by 2 cos pi by 2. That means this is 0. So if you put here x is equal to pi by 2, then the value will be x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, and putting x is equal to 1 and 0, you get the required answer. So your answer is 0. This is a very well known problem. F of k is equal to 1 by k sin to the power kx minus cos to the power kx. Then the value of the expression f4x minus f6x is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 12, 1 by 6, 1 by 3. This comes in the year of 2014. This is a very well known problem. You know, you can get it from any book. The problem is f of 4x minus f of 6x. That means 1 by 4 sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 6x minus 1 by 6 sin to the power 6x minus plus cos to the power 6x. You can do it with the help of multiple angle, and this is also with the help of multiple angle. But there is a certain rule from where you can solve it in less than 20 seconds. That means what I want to say, if you put x is equal to 0 degree, I again say that the answer are independent of x, so this is an identity. Now putting x is equal to 0 degree, we get 1 by 4 sin 0 plus cos 0 minus 1 by 6 sin 0 plus cos 0. Sin 0 means 0, cos 0 means 1. That means 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, that means is equal to 12. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 12. So your required answer is 12. So I have to do that a simple value x is equal to 0 degree. Putting x is equal to 0 degree, you get the required answer. This is a very easy problem. It comes in the year IEEE 2010. The problem is, if cos alpha plus beta is equal to 4 by 5 and sin alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13, where 0 less equal to alpha and beta less equal to pi by 4, then tan 2 alpha is equal to 20 by 7, 25 by 16, 56 by 33 and 19 by 12. Which one option will correct? Now our first question is tan 2 alpha. How I solve it? Tan 2 alpha means this is sin 2 alpha by cos 2 alpha. You know it very well. Now sin 2 alpha means sin alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta, and cos 2 alpha means cos alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Then from the formula of compound angle, this is A and this is B. So sin A plus B, that means sin alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta plus sin alpha minus beta cos alpha plus beta divided by cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha minus beta, minus sin alpha plus beta into sin alpha minus beta. Then sin alpha plus beta means you have the value cos alpha plus beta. Now cos alpha plus beta is equal to 4 by 5, then sin alpha plus beta is equal to root over 1 minus cos square alpha plus beta. That means root over 1 minus 16 by 25. That means this is 25 minus 16 by 25. That means 3 plus minus 3 by 5. Now here is a condition that 0 less equal to alpha and beta less equal to pi by 4. Then this value is plus 3 by 5. And from this sin alpha minus beta, sin alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 3, 13. Then cos alpha minus beta is equal to root over 1 minus sin square alpha minus beta. That means root over 1 minus 25 by 169. That means this is equal to 144 by 169, and this is plus minus 12 by 13. And from the given condition it is true that this is 12 by 13. Now from the given condition, sin alpha plus beta means 3 by 5, cos alpha minus beta means 12 by 13, plus sin alpha minus beta means 5 by 13, cos alpha minus beta means 12 by 13. Sorry, there is something problem. Sin alpha minus beta means 5 by 13, and cos alpha plus beta means 4 by 5. 4 by 5 divided by cos alpha plus beta 4 by 5 into cos alpha minus beta. Cos alpha minus beta means 12 by 13 minus sin alpha plus beta. Sin alpha plus beta means this one 3 by 5 into sin alpha minus beta means 5 by 13. 5 by 13 calculating we get this is 36 by 65 plus 20 by 65 by 48 by 65 minus 15 by 65. That means this is equal to 56 by 33, and this is your answer. So C is your correct answer. C is your correct answer. This is a very easy problem, very easy problem, and it comes in the year of 2010 AIEEE. Check your answer.